This is Team Can, and I am Cole Gagne.
I'm Abby Fawcett.
I'm Nate Garvey.
Okay, so going into Sprint 2, in the table below, we can see a detailed breakdown of the fields, field types, and whether the field will be required, and a list of who can edit the field for the account objects. Functional requirements. Input. An account must be able to be created, updated, and read by users of the system. It can be deleted by technical support, internal, and administrator. A garbage location for each account must be connected to an account record. A location confirmation for each account must be connected to each account record. It must be able to be searched in different accounts within the system to look at the records for that account. Account information must be able to be updated in case of a change of location. Process. If an account decides to change services, it can be changed to deactivated account or to the new service that is offered to that account. Process. If an account changes their address, it can be updated and services can change. Another process. The address, city, and zip entered by the account must be unique. If the address is already being used in that service set up in the system, display a message along with a link to the existing account record that is already being used. Audit requirements. All fields on the account record must be able to only be updated by the user in the administrator and sales and renewals department. All other users/profiles should be able to only view the information. All updates made to the account record must be captured in an audit with the following information. Who made the change? What's the date and time of the change that was made? What was changed? An output. A report must be generated once a week on Monday at 8 a.m. and sent to administrator and sales and renewals department for the account records that do not have a service associated to them. So the lead record can be updated, handled accordingly by administrator and sales renewals. Below is the user interface wireframe prototype for the account form that will be used inside of Salesforce. Data requirements contact. In the table below, we can see that a detailed breakdown of the fields, field types, and whether the field will be required, and a list of who can edit the field for the account object. Functional requirements. Input. A contact record must be able to be created, updated, and read by users of the system. A product record must be able to be associated to multiple organization records. It must be able to remove organizations from being associated to the product record from the organization user interface. Audit requirements. All fields on product information record must be able to only be updated by the users in the contact team profile. All other users/profiles should be able to only view the information. All updates made in the product information record must be captured in an audit log with the following information. Who made the change? What is the date and time of the changes that were made? And what changed? Output. A report must be generated once a week on Friday at 3 p.m. and sent to product sales team for all product records that have an end of support life with 1 month out to ensure product team can start preparing. Below is the user interface wireframe prototype for the contact form that will be used inside of Salesforce. And once the email is then generated, will be sent to the contact with the information about how much they want to spend on the service that they are choosing. And if they decide to go forth, they will email us back and an account will be created. And so if they decide that they want to go forth with the service, we will then convert them over to being a contact in our management system.